Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing week 6 weight loss update, you guys. I am so happy. I'm so thrilled. We made it. As many of you guys know, if you've been following my journey, I decided to do a 6-week vegan challenge. And the reason why I decided to do that was because I wanted to kind of just give my body a reset. I felt like for the past year and a half to 2 years since gaining this excess weight, my eating hasn't been the best, and I just felt like my body needed to do a restart. So I decided that vegan was the best way to go. When I first started, I was raw vegan, but I decided to just transition into regular vegan because it was a little bit difficult for me to just eat whole foods all the time. I wanted to actually have like warm meals, so I decided to just be regular vegan, and that's what I've been doing for the past 6 weeks. I am not going to be staying vegan, you guys. I don't want to. So I'm going to be adding eggs and chicken to the mix. I'm a very picky meat eater anyways. I don't eat a lot of meats. I really just like chicken and eggs. I like steak occasionally, but for right now I just want to stick to chicken and eggs. As far as my exercise routine, y'all, I'm gonna get back into the swing of things. As I told y'all in last week's update, I actually hurt my ankle, so I've been out of commission for the past 2 weeks, but my ankle is absolutely fine now. There's no pain, there's no swelling, so I feel like that is a good indication that I can start working out again. As far as my stress management, y'all, that was probably my main focus during this entire 6-week period, because I know that stress is the reason why I gained the weight in the first place, and I did not want to hinder myself in any way by being stressed out. So I made sure, y'all, my environment, everything about me was stress free, and I also made sure that I got adequate sleep at night, because getting good rest is a part of just living an overall healthy lifestyle. So yeah, guys, that is it for the update. I wanted to also tell you guys that I'm going to be transitioning from doing these videos every week to once a month. So I'm going to come on here and I'm going to do a weigh-in for you guys once a month and do my measurements. When I started my weight loss journey, I was 207.4 pounds. Last week I was 193. I don't know what I am this week. I haven't been on the scale yet, but my goal is to be about 160 pounds. So I still have a long way to go, and I still need you guys, to be honest, because being able to come on camera and be transparent and share, you know, my story and my journey, it makes it a little bit easier for me to keep going, because I know that you guys are holding me accountable, as well as my accountability partners and so forth. So I'm definitely going to continue with my journey, but I know you guys probably want to see different content about what exactly I'm doing. So I know you guys have requested like what I eat in a day videos. I'm going to do some fitness routine videos. I'm thinking about waist training, so I'm going to show y'all how that has transformed my body and all that good stuff, you guys, so that you guys can have some more First to Talk content. And if there's anything else that you guys want to see in regards to my weight loss journey, definitely leave me a comment, let me know, and I will film it for you guys. As you guys know, I've mentioned this in every week, I don't go on the scale during the week. I don't want to get so obsessed with the scale where I'm going on it every day to see what I weigh, so I do it every Mondays when I sit in front of you guys, so we always find out my weight and my measurements together. So I'm excited to see like what 6 weeks has done for me. I'm excited to see how much weight I was able to lose in 6 weeks from just changing some simple things about my lifestyle. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I am going to be starting with my arm measurements. So when I first started, my arm was 14 inches. After week 1, it was 13.5. For week 2, it was 13.25. Week 3, it was 13 inches. Week 4, it was 12.75. And then for week 5, which was last week, it stayed the same at 12.75 inches. So let's see what we are this week. Can you guys see that? So it is about 12 and a half, guys, which is good because last week it was 12.75. Alright, guys, so now we are going to move on to my bust. So when I first started on October 5th, 2020, my bust measurements was 42.5. Week 1, it was 41 inches. Week 2, 40.5 inches. Week 3, it was 40 inches. Week 4, it was 39.5. And then last week, I was shocked, y'all. My bust went down to 38 inches. Y'all, I think this area has seen the most drastic amount of inches lost since starting. I've lost so many inches on my bust area. So yeah, last week it was 38. So let's see where we are for this week. I am getting 37.5. So it went down by a ½ inch. So now I'm going to do my stomach. So here is my stomach from the front. Here is my stomach from the side. And here we are from the back. So when I first started on October 5th, my stomach or my waist was 37 inches. Week 1, it was 35.5 inches. Week 2, it was 34.75. Week 3, it was 34.25. Week 4, it was 33.5. And week 5, it was 33.25. So let's see where we are today. 32.5, you guys. That's amazing. That is amazing, you guys. So in 6 weeks, I started at 37, and I'm at 32.5. So that's pretty amazing. 32.5. All right. So then we are going to do my hip measurements. So when I started, you guys, for my hips were 49 inches. Then it went down to 48.5 after week 1. For week 2, it was 48. Week 3, it was 47.5. Week 4, it was 47.5, so it didn't move. And then for week 5, it was 47 inches. So let's see where we are today. So it's at 46.25, you guys. So I lost 0.75 inches. Alright guys, so now we are going to do my weight. So on October 5th when I started, my starting weight was 207.4 pounds. Then after week 1, it was 202.4 pounds. Then for week 2, it was 199 pounds. So after 2 weeks, I was in the 100s. Week 3, it was 198.2 pounds. Week 4, it was 196.4 pounds. And then last week for week 5, it was 193. And y'all, I was so excited about that. So let's see where we are today. Alright guys, so as you can see, your girl is losing weight. I am 190.8 pounds, y'all, which is amazing. But actually, y'all, I have to say this, I have to put this in there. I'm actually 189.8. But because I hold the camera whenever I get on the scale, it adds an extra pound. So I do have to slide that in there so y'all could know. But anyways, y'all, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what type of fitness videos you would like to see every Friday. As I mentioned, I am going to start doing my measurements and my weigh-in once a month on this channel. So I have 3 additional weeks to do whatever you guys want me to do. I did promise to do a what I eat in a day video next week. But I'm thinking realistically, does anybody want to see a video like that after Thanksgiving? Because I feel like we're all going to still be eating leftovers. So let me know if you guys still want me to drop that video. And also don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. I do post on Sundays, Thursdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.